can do this at home. Yep, so redoing my Honda headlights. Start off with 1500. And then I go to 5,000. And I mean, just so it's basically, you can like shine your fingernails on it. And I already did one headlight. Thing is looking pretty. It's the one step heavy cut compound. I mean, if you're able to, like, if you know how to do buffing and polishing on paint, this is extremely faster. So literally it's about 20 minutes per headlight. And then on top of that, I'm gonna do a clear coat over them. That way they're actually protected. Because right now they're not protected, they just look nice. And you make sure you have a good tape around the edges, because the reason why is you don't want to nick into the head, into your fenders or whatnot. Because I just nicked mine a little bit, but I'm not too worried about it because this is a project car that's getting repainted all the way. Obviously with my customers' cars, yeah, you don't have to worry about that. I do painter's tape, and then over that I use Gorilla duct tape just to reinforce it from a protective layer. So there's that one, and then there's that one.